root theorem is it's a way to get our guesses, okay? It's a way to get our guesses so that I don't just have to randomly try numbers, because it's not like old school division where I can just type in a divided by 3 and divided by 4 in my calculator really quick, and then I'll know really quick if it doesn't work or not, right? But I have to go through this whole box thing. Well, that's not very efficient, right? So if I was going to look at this one to take my guesses, this is how I find my guesses, okay? You take the positive and negative factors of the constant, okay, and then the positive and negative factors of the constant over A, my leading coefficient. Now, that probably doesn't make any sense to any of you yet, and that's okay. I'm going to explain it with a lot of examples. Yeah. So the rational root theorem, the positive and negative factors of the constant and the positive and negative factors of constant over A, which is your leading coefficient, okay? Okay, so this is what is known as my possible roots. So when I'm asking, do I know any of the roots, I'm going to take a guess first at the possibilities, okay? What is the constant on this example? What is the constant on this example? Negative 8, good. So the constant is negative 8. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the positive and negative factors of the constant. So plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4, and plus or minus 8. What is my A on this one? What's my leading coefficient? 1. Is dividing any of these by 1 going to do anything? No. So that means if this thing is factorable, all of its factors are going to come out of these 8 numbers. So I'm not going to try 3 or 5, right? I'm only going to try 1, positive or negative, 2, positive or negative, 4, positive or negative, 8, positive or negative. Does that make sense? Which one should we try? Okay, if I try negative 1, okay, so if I'm going to try negative 1 as a root, what's the factor I divide into? What's the factor that goes with negative 1 as a root? Nope. Root factors need an x. X plus 1. So the factor that goes with negative 1 as a root is x plus 1. Now, I don't want to do this quite yet because I want to really get this rational root theorem down first. So I want you to try just finding the possible roots on number 6, okay? We'll do complete factors in a minute. I just want you to make your list of numbers to try for number 6 using the rational root theorem, okay? What are the numbers to try?